Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Cheenam.
I'm Ajay.
In this video, we are going to share with you our journey experience from India to UK. So we came here to UK on 11th of September on skilled worker visa. Our airline was British Airways and हम लोग की flight 10:25 AM in the morning थी. So we left our place in Punjab at around 10 PM at night. और सुबह हम लोग 6 AM in the morning IGA एयरपोर्ट पर पहुंच गए थे.
And I would say कि everyone should reach 4 hours prior. At least 4 घंटे पहले पहुंचना is very much safe because from our experience हमने देखा कि हमें भी around baggage check-in and security के लिए 2.5 hours it took. So I think everyone should reach 4 hours prior to their scheduled departure. So when we reached 6 AM in the morning, हम ब्रिटिश एयरवेज के बैगेज काउंटर पे गए. वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था, BA स्टाफ नहीं था वहाँ पे, बट देयर वाज अ लॉन्ग क्यू ऑलरेडी. काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स थे हमारे से पहले. वी कुड सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस एंड एट अराउंड 6:40 आई थिंक 6:40 पे ब्रिटिश एयरवेज का स्टाफ आया एंड दे अनाउंस्ड द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट वी नीड टू कैरी, वी नीड टू कीप इन हैंडी and which we need to show them, without which they will not allow us to board the flight.
So there were 4 things they asked us to keep in handy. One was RT-PCR COVID negative report. Second one is passenger locator form. Third one is payment receipt for day 2 and day 8 COVID test which will be undergoing in UK. And fourth is your passport and visa.
Yeah. So guys, if you're not aware, so RT-PCR test should be done 72 hours prior to your flight timings, and day 2 and day 8 COVID test we need to book ourselves from CTM portal. If you're not aware, so just let us know. We'll create a new video on that. Anyway, जो passenger locator form होता है, in that also you need to add the reference number, your booking reference number for COVID day 2 and day 8 test. Even हमारे से पहले जो पैसेंजर थे वहाँ पे लाइन में, उन लोगों ने डे 2 and day 8 बुक नहीं किया था कोविड टेस्ट एंड दे आस्क्ड देम टू बुक दैट इमीडिएटली बिकॉज उसके बिना वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहे थे. सो मेक श्योर दैट दीज 4 डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर हैंडी विद यू, विदाउट विच यू विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू बोर्ड द फ्लाइट.
After showing all these 4 documents to those attendants, हम लोग का baggage check-in था. So I think it took us around 30 to 40 minutes over there also. So guys, make sure आप लोग का baggage जो है वो 23 kgs से कम होना चाहिए. Each baggage should be less than 23 kgs because we had seen a lot of people shifting their stuff from one bag to another. So these kind of things you should not face. So हम लोगों का बिल्कुल smooth था. हम लोग के सभी baggage under 23 kgs थे. So we were good at that time. हम लोग को ज़्यादा time नहीं लगा and we were good to go for immigration check.
And guys, हमने क्या practice follow करी? We ordered a weighing scale from Amazon. हमने अपने घर पे weighing scale order किया था and we made sure that हमारा कोई भी baggage 23 plus ना हो. And in that way we made our journey a hassle-free journey because अगर आप लोग के पास ज़्यादा baggage होता है, then you need to pay the British Airways people or the airline people, and make sure that if you're traveling with an international airline, you should have a credit card or debit card with you because
they won't accept cash.
They won't accept cash. Yeah, so that's a plain and simple thing.
So इसके बाद हम लोग immigration check के लिए चले गए. I think it took us around 5 to 10 minutes over there. They just asked us simple questions like why we are going and what sort of work we are going to do over there. So these kind of basic questions they asked at immigration check counter. So that took us around 5 minutes and then we headed towards security check-in.
So security check-in was quite long queue. Many people were in front of us and it took us around 50 minutes to pass the security check-in. So again, you know, the same basic stuff that you need to keep in mind while going to security check-in. You don't need to carry any sharp items, inflammable items, then liquid items more than 100 ml.
Even with me also, I was having this shampoo in my handbag. So they just threw it in bin because it was exceeding 100 ml. So make sure, guys, you should not carry any liquid stuff in your handbags.
So after finishing the security check-in, we went on to the duty free, Delhi duty free. So ये हमारा first international trip था, and we explored you know, a couple of options there. So 15-20 minutes we spent there. We left the lounge at 9:30 a.m. Yeah, 1 hour we took there. Our flight was at 10:25 and we then moved to gate number 8 from the lounge. Then when we reached at the gate, we came to know that it is delayed by 30 minutes. Boarding start nahi hui thi abhi because there were heavy rains in Delhi on 11 September. So we had to wait there. And after waiting for around 45 minutes more, they started the boarding. And during boarding also, they didn't check any document. They just checked the visa and passport. That's it. They just gave us the instruction beforehand that boarding pass should be on the visa page. That's it. They didn't check any COVID report or PLF form, nothing else.
The flight experience with British Airways was pretty good. So it took us around 9 hours to reach London Heathrow Airport. We were also served pretty good food in the flight and drinks were offered at the regular intervals.
flight reached 5 p.m. At Heathrow Airport local time, and it was Terminal 5C where our flight landed. But for our connecting flight, for our final destination, which was Glasgow, we had to reach at Terminal 5A. Okay, so from 5C to 5A we had to go. And Heathrow बहुत बड़ा airport है guys, and for going from 5C to 5A, either you can walk और वहाँ पे एक train facility थी, so you can board the train और वो I think 2-3 minutes लेती है. So वहाँ से आप from 5C to 5A आप जा सकते हो. And I think from 5A सभी European flights का connection था. I mean if you're going to Dublin or Edinburgh or any other European country, so you have to go to 5A. Once we reached 5A, then from that point onwards there was a UK border check. I mean the immigration check of UK. In the UK immigration there was not a long queue. लोग वैसे बोलते हैं कि आपको 2-3 घंटे लग जाते हैं वहाँ पे इमिग्रेशन में, बट हमारे लिए काफ़ी स्मूथ एक्सपीरियंस था. 15-20 मिनट्स लगे हमें शायद, एंड इससे ज़्यादा टाइम लगा नहीं. बट हाँ, मतलब कुछ लोगों की फ्लाइट्स थी डबलिन के लिए, एडिनबरा के लिए, एंड देयर फ्लाइट वाज शेड्यूल्ड एट 5:30 p.m.
They had 30 minutes in between.
Yeah, they just had 30 minutes in between. So the immigration people, they prioritized those people. So there were 3 counters. 2 काउंटर उन लोगों ने दे दिए थे फॉर पीपल हु हैव 30 मिनट्स ओनली लेफ्ट, एंड 1 काउंटर फॉर पीपल लाइक अस जिनके पास अभी 2 घंटे थे, बिकॉज आवर नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट वाज एट 7 p.m. इन स्पाइट ऑफ गेटिंग ओनली 1 काउंटर, हमारी टर्न आई थिंक 15 मिनट्स में आ गई थी, एंड वी बोथ वेंट टुगेदर टू इमिग्रेशन ऑफिसर.
So वहाँ पर भी he asked us basic questions like what sort of work are you going to do in Glasgow and why we are going. So these kind of basic questions they were asking to us. So वहाँ पर हम लोग को 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं लगे.
Yeah.
So
very straightforward process. I think people scare you with the immigration things, but I mean हमें कुछ भी scary नहीं लगा. Simple questions too. They were very friendly. They were smiling all the time. During UK immigration check, they announced in advance that we need our passport with visa and passenger locator form. That's it. These 2 documents they just checked during the UK immigration. There were no checks of COVID reports and all that. So when we passed the immigration check, then after that we went on to the security check-in of 5A terminal. Again, security be same process that we followed in Delhi. You should not have any liquid items, and if you have any, you should keep that separately. Then electronics items in a separate box. That's it. And again, that took us 15 minutes. So overall, from immigration to security, it took around 30 minutes total.
yeah.
And I think we were free by 5:45. And after that, we had around more than 1 hour left for our flight.
So इस टाइम में हम लोग को भूख लग चुकी थी, तो हम लोगों ने वहाँ कुछ ऐसे स्नैक वगैरह ले लिए, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स. वहाँ पर टिफनी का शोरूम था, मुझे एक रिंग पसंद आई हुई है, so hopefully I'll be getting that soon.
Definitely.
Then we moved to gate number 23, जहाँ से हम लोग की ग्लासगो की फ्लाइट डिपार्ट होनी थी. तो वहाँ पर हम लोगों को आई थिंक 20 मिनट्स ही बैठना पड़ा था.
7 p.m. की फ्लाइट थी, एंड it departed at exact time, so there wasn't any delay. I think after that we reached Glasgow in 1 hour. 1 hour का ही फ्लाइट टाइम है उसका. 8:05 पे हम we were outside waiting for our luggage. And ours was a connecting flight, so हमने लगेज अपना चेक इन किया दिल्ली पे, एंड we received our luggage at Glasgow airport. So quite smooth experience. अपने जब हमने सभी बैगेज को उठा लिया अपना, so after that we moved outside the airport and we tried booking the Uber cab,
but someone suggested us not to book the Uber and go for local Glasgow cabs. So we booked that one and reached to Radisson Blu, which is our current accommodation.
I think if I talk about cabs, then I checked the Uber fare also, and I paid to the local cab also. It was quite same, but I'm not sure about the Uber. The local cabs were quite, spacious. We had, 4 big bags and 2 cabin bags. They were quite
They fit
easily
in
accommodated
easily.
inside the
Yeah.
cab.
So this was our whole experience from India to UK. If you have any kind of questions for us, you can feel free to ask us. You can comment in the description box below.
We will try our best to answer your questions, because we were also very anxious when we were traveling, what kind of documents that we need, what would be the checks there, and कुछ लोग तो immigration को बहुत ज़्यादा scary बना देते हैं, but that was not the case. Our experience was very smooth. कुछ भी दिक्कत नहीं आई हमें, कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब in spite of COVID times. So feel free to ask any question and we'll reply in the comments. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.